Good afternoon, this is Jan. I'm at my friend's place and we're gonna eat Thai food. These are my friends.
Hello everyone.
And this is the food we're gonna eat. And what is this? This is?
Green curry.
Ah, green curry.
Yeah.
Gangkyeowan.
Gangkyeowan.
Ah, right. And this is?
Potato soup.
Ah, that looks very nice. And of course there's rice to go with it. And we're drinking wine. White wine from Portugal. Mar de Lisboa, so that's from the Lissabon area. And the grapes are arinto and verdelho. And here I got it in my glass. Smell is like fresh, some citrus, lemon, lime. It's quite dry, medium body. The alcohol percentage is 12.5%. I saw that on the label. It's nice, crisp. And it sure is good with Thai food. So, Gert-Jan, what do you think? You like it?
Yes, I like it. I only taste a little bit. I smell a little bit different than Jan.
Yeah?
The citrus I smell too, but I think I smell a little bit peach too.
Ah, peach, yeah.
Yes, I think so. It's a little bit fruity. I think I give it the number 7.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, I would
Yes.
say something like 7 as well. Yeah,
sure.
7, 7.5 maybe. Yeah, I think the quality is good.
Good wine. And what was the price again, Jan?
7.49 for this
$7.49.
one. Yeah.
Ah, okay. Price quality, I think it's well done. Yes.
Yeah. Well, I very much like Portuguese wine.
Yeah,
I think
like,
the quality is good overall.
I like Portuguese too. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Good wine. Thank you, Jan.
So what we have here?
Pork.
Ah, spork.
Yeah.
Ground pork. Ah. Moo.
Yeah.
Moo. And this is in the bowl, this one?
Yeah, this one.
Ah,
Same,
oh, the same.
yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
right. Ah, yeah, I should have known this. Yeah, right.
And then I do in a minute. So dinner is ready, Jan.
Okay, nice.
Yes. Only the rice now.
Ah. We're gonna eat.
Yes, yes. Nice.
It looks very good, this food. So here we got the potato soup with pork meatballs. This is real Thai food. I like these pork meatballs. Is this what? This has some spices in it too. These pork meatballs.
Yeah.
Ah, pepper. Yeah, yeah. Because I taste some spice.
Aroy.
Yes, alloy.
Tomato.
Potato. Hup. So this is hot chili sauce. meatballs. And here we have the gengkiwan kai, which means green curry with chicken. One of my favorite dishes from Thai kitchen.
Có cái hình cà thị năng lượng ngon đó.
Very nice with the mushroom. I taste pepper, I taste the basil. Very typical Thai dish.
I think the wine fits very well by this dish, Jan. What do you think?
I'm sure this will fit. Oh yeah, that is a good match. It's the acidity, the freshness, which matches perfectly with the spiciness of the dish. I'm a big fan of green curry. In Thailand, sometimes I used to eat this together with spaghetti, which is a nice combination too. Of course, the usual combination is with rice. But green curry and spaghetti, I can recommend this. Well, that was a very nice Thai food. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in the next one. And remember,
Enjoying your food like I do.
like I do, yeah,
Yes, you
and
do.
like Jan and
Yeah, I
family
want to say
does.
one more thing, Jan. The next time we eat Thai food, Jan, we do it in Thailand, okay?
That's a good idea. Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
thank
planning
you.
to go there as well. Yeah,
Thank you for watching this
So-
video.
and enjoy your wine like I do.